This is Poorboys World Spray and Rinse Wheel Cleaner. No rubbing, no scrubbing. If this works at all, this would be the easiest way to clean your wheels. It's safe on clear-coated, chrome, painted, and plastic wheels. We're going to be protecting this purple Plymouth Prowler, and we're starting the wash process, and we are going to begin with the wheels, and they need a cleaning. The barrel of the wheels are chrome, and there's no way to tell at this point because they are heavily soiled. So we are going to test the Poorboys World Spray and Rinse Wheel Cleaner on these chrome wheels. All four wheels pretty much soiled the same way. This is like an open wheel cart up front here. So strange, I never got the point of what they were trying to do. I know a few manufacturers were trying to mimic vehicles, classic and antiques of the 50s and 60s, a pickup truck, a van, this thing here, and some others. At least they could have put a V8 in this one here. But anyway, the indications of directions want you to first rinse the wheel with cool water. Now that did nothing to rinse away what was bonded to the wheel, so we're still going to have a good test here with the spray and rinse. But they do want you to spray and rinse the wheel with cold water first, and then douse the wheel with the wheel cleaner. Put a nice heavy coating on the wheel. Continue to go around and coat all four wheels as much as you can reach with the cleaner, and then it will be time to go back to the first wheel where you started and start to rinse the product free. Not really much to see at this point. There's not a thick, rich foam hanging off the wheel. It's pretty much like a gel-like substance slowly running down the wheel, carrying some brake dust and debris with it. Okay, let me continue and cover the rest of the wheels before this stuff starts to dry. And now, simply rinse thoroughly. I do want to somewhat dry the wheels so we can come in and take a look, but I don't want to use a towel or a microfiber to clean anything that was left behind, so let me grab the leaf blower. Now, to be completely honest, this performed a little bit better than what I expected. There is a little bit of a thin, faint film on the wheel yet that you could be able to follow up with a soft microfiber and a wash mitt, and the wheel would be squeaky clean from there. So, although not a miracle product and there are none out there, it will make your wheel cleaning easier for you. The Poorboys World Spray and Rinse Wheel Cleaner exceeded the expectations I had for it. I could recommend giving it a try, see if it makes wheel cleaning easier for you. Brian from Apex Detail, I'll catch you in the next video.